So we're in mid-April now, and you asked me whether we're ready to open now. The answer to that is no.
Will Humble, the former state health director, warns Arizona just not ready to start rolling back restrictions. But he is cautiously optimistic that could change next month.
If you ask me, are we ready on May 1st? I think the answer is maybe.
It all depends on whether the number of people getting hospitalized declines over the next 10 days and whether testing capacity continues to increase. If all goes well, Humble said he favors a phased-in restart of the economy by first allowing the more critical industries that can safely reopen for business. Good news for some, but maybe not for the roughly 250,000 restaurant workers in Arizona who have suffered because of mandatory shutdowns.
Bars, restaurants, and especially concert venues and things like that, those are things that are not, you wouldn't call them critical industries, but they're also things that pose a risk of transmitting the virus. And so those are the last businesses that you would reopen.
Humble said these businesses could reopen if they could reduce the risk of spreading the virus. For example, allowing restaurants to open if they limited their customers inside to 25% of their capacity.
And the big question is, when Arizona does reopen, will people rush out and return to normal activities? A new poll out this week from Gallup suggests that a lot of Americans are really hesitant about that. About 20% of them said they would go back to their normal routines, but 71% said they'd take a wait-and-see approach. Back into you.